Imagine stepping outside at night and seeing not one, but two moons glowing in the sky. It might feel magical, like something out of a sci-fi film. But beneath that beauty, Earth would be in for some serious changes. From rising tides to planetary destruction, let's explore what would happen if our moon had a twin. Some scientists believe that Earth may have once had two moons. After a Mars-sized object slammed into our planet 4.5 billion years ago, two satellite siblings likely formed. Eventually, they collided, leaving behind a scarred single moon we see today. So let's bring the second one back and see what happens. Let's say the second moon is smaller, about 1,000 kilometers wide. Not as massive as our moon, but still a sight to behold. From Earth, it would look 3 times smaller, but still dramatic. Together, the two moons would tug at our oceans. Bigger waves, more extreme tides. Surfers, ecstatic. Coastal engineers, not so much. Eventually, this smaller moon would become unstable and crash into our moon in slow motion. The result? No apocalypse, just a chunkier moon, with new ridges and craters visible from Earth. Now let's crank it up. What if this second moon were the same size as ours, but orbiting at half the distance? Disaster! Tides would be 8 times higher, over 300 meters between high and low tide. Entire coastlines would vanish, habitats would shrink, cities would be forced inland. Eventually, the inevitable. The moons would collide, this time with catastrophic consequences. The debris would rain down on Earth, a meteor shower big enough to end civilizations. The leftover chunks would form a new moon, orbiting Earth once more. Earth would begin again, maybe without us, but one day, another intelligent life form could emerge and look up at the sky and wonder why their moon looks so weird. What would you name Earth's second moon? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more alternate realities.